It's just a warrant. Everything that the case was about, I did the first ticket. I have my license. It's just a warrant that's holding me up. Anything that's involved in this case has been done.
Jamie Lenore Pratt confronts the court with defiance and attitude. An active warrant from 2023 looms over her. The judge faces a challenge in maintaining control of the hearing. Every decision and action in the courtroom carries serious consequences.
Jamie Lenore Pratt, 23W832353A and B. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. The applicant, TOP 82378 on behalf of Mr. Pratt. Mr. Pratt, state your name for the report.
You have to start your video, ma'am.
Pratt, Jamie Pratt.
What do you think I'm faking?
She stands mute and waves reading, Your Honor.
Did she just hang on, ma'am? I don't know where you are. You're gonna have to stop. I need to see you. You're not driving, right?
No, I'm not driving. I'm stable.
Where has she been? Where has she been? She just called up today, Lisa, said cancel the warrant. I want to go in front of the judge when she was supposed to be here. This case been going on since 23, Ms. Pratt.
Okay.
All right? It's way too old for me.
It's just a warrant. Everything that the case was about, I did the first ticket. I have my license. It's just a warrant that's holding me up. Anything that's involved in this case has been done.
It's just a warrant. Is that what you said?
It's just a warrant. That's the only thing that has to be there. I have my license are valid. That I don't even have that car, but I got the headlight fixed like within the week of me getting the ticket. I did not know I had to bring it back to Woodhaven.
Ma'am, I'd suggest that you at least acknowledge. I know it's impossible for some people to say.
Acknowledge what? That I got the ticket? I did get the ticket. My headlight was out. My license was suspended. I'm not denying that. And I've done everything to correct that.
Give her a new date. We're going to give her a new date for an arraignment and pretrial. Defendant has to appear in person for a pretrial.
But that's not going to be able to happen.
Well, then you're going to have a warrant issued for your arrest again, okay? You're going to have a warrant issued for your arrest again.
Because I can't come into the courts? Because I'm in another state?
I don't want to, listen, I don't want to do anything to inconvenience you here. I don't want to inconvenience you.
This is why.
Give her an in-person date. I'm not going to play this game.
Me either.
November 12th at 8. She's gone, Judge.
Good. November 12th at what?
November 12th at 8:30.
What an attitude. What an attitude. Case is outstanding since 23, and it's just a warrant. So she stood mute on both. I'm giving her a new date. She didn't allow me to set the bond. I'll set the bond when she comes in, okay? So November 11th. Wow. November 12th at 8:30. Jeez. What is happening? Huh? Can you tell me what's happening?
No, Judge.
I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
The case opens with Jamie Lenore Pratt addressing the court regarding a 2023 warrant. Although she admits past traffic violations and license suspension, her demeanor is dismissive and uncooperative. The judge repeatedly seeks acknowledgement of the seriousness of her legal situation, but Pratt interrupts and challenges the process. Her reluctance to fully comply forces the judge to set explicit expectations, including a mandatory in-person appearance for arraignment. Despite her claims that prior issues have been corrected, the court stresses that unresolved warrants require direct engagement and cannot be ignored. Throughout the hearing, courtroom tension escalates as the judge balances authority with procedural fairness. The judge highlights the risks of ignoring court instructions and warns that continued non-compliance could lead to arrest or other legal consequences. Defense arguments emphasize Pratt's corrective actions, including repairing a headlight and updating her license. However, the judge underscores that acknowledgement and attendance are crucial, scheduling a firm future date for her return to court. This case illustrates how hostile behavior and disregard for court orders, even in minor cases, can magnify legal consequences. Judges must enforce compliance to ensure justice and maintain order, demonstrating that defiance in the courtroom carries real risks. The judge ultimately asserts authority, ensuring that Pratt understands the importance of following the legal process. This hearing serves as a cautionary example that respect for court procedures and timely compliance are critical to avoiding escalation and further legal trouble.